Hey guys, welcome back. This is just a super quick tutorial on how to create a animated section in Twinmotion. So I've just loaded in a generic house to do this with. So if we go to Tools, then Section, and then Section Cube, and we just drop that into the scene, it's creating just a section plane, a section cube. And once we have that selected, we can obviously move it around with the gumball, and as you can see, it's cutting into the building and such. What we then want to do is hit tab. That'll change the gumball, and we want this one where we can kind of manipulate the box, pull it across, width of the building. What we want to do is kind of push it through the building to where we want it to end up, which is about there, I'd say. And then we want something like this. Probably move it up a bit so that we still see floor finishes. A little bit higher. Right. We could take it all the way through if we really wanted. Why don't we go there? That's a bit cleaner. Right. So this is kind of what our end scene will look like. Let's just widen it a bit. This is where we're going to end up. So we want to go to Media, just hit plus. Right. So now what we want to do is animate the section box. So in order to do this, we go Library, Tools, Animators, and we do a translator. What we then do is we just place the translator down, we click on the translator here, and what we want to do is go up and change distance. See how this is going in a Z-axis? What we want to do is actually change that to a X-axis. You can see, and we want to link this to the section box. Link. Now this can be tricky trying to find the section box. If we go play, you can see it's linked to this section box. Now what we probably want to do, see it slowly moving through there, we probably want to move this animator along if we can. There we go. And if we just do the playthrough once, just speed it up so it gets to the end, this is where we want to set up that final outcome. So push it along a bit further, now a bit further, and there we go. That's where we want it to finish. So now it's really working out where we want it to start. So we probably, that's how far we want it to go. So if we play that, it's not really going all the way. So we probably need to move this back, play it, and then that's how far it's gone once it's been played. So now we push it to our desired finish area, which is here. Now if we play it back, you can see it's pushing into the building. So now what we want to do is, once we've set up this and we've played it once, we go to where this image starts. We just simply move back. And then we hit plus. And then what we want to do is actually swap these two around. Now, what I could do in this first scene is make it sunrise, and in this second scene make it a lot later in the day. So now if I play this alongside our translator, which we'll just, for the sake of it, loop. These are images. So instead of doing it as images, we actually want to plus it here, go back, go here. It's an easy fix. And we want to play the translator. Put it on once, so we know where it ends. We then zoom into that selection. Let's say we want to end up about here. Then what we'll do is we'll actually plus here and change the time of day for this one. So that way when it plays, it's showing a change in day. In fact, we might even make it later. So that way you can see the sun rises, and you can see a bit of shadows moving and whatnot. So now what we want to do is we want to have the section box move with this animation. Let's just make this a bit earlier. Sorry, later in the day. So if we scroll all the way down to our translator, we've got it playing once. That's how it starts. So now if we go to the translator, what we want to do is ensure that the speed of the section cut, see how it's going a lot faster here than the video. So you probably want to slow it down. We're stopping here, so we're probably wanting it to stop there as well. So if I go back to the start, see now it's a bit too slow. Speed it up a little. This is kind of what we're going for. Kind of matching the speed so it looks like it's on a dolly but it's doing the same thing at the same time. You would then export this video, play it through with the loop. You could also potentially put some more people in it, some cars, just to show a bit of movement within the building. But yeah, that's how you create a section cut animation in Twinmotion. Thanks.